Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new video. Today is gonna be a good day. I'm here with my cousin JD. Right now we're heading to Rojas because we're gonna watch the parade. Actually, today is Araw ng Davao. It is the 82nd, diba?
Yeah,
82nd year. So here in the Philippines, some province, they do like the day of whatever city it is, and today happens to be Araw ng Davao, and it is their 82nd, and that's a long time. We're about to head there, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. Alright guys, so we made it here in somewhere in downtown Rojas, and this is where the parade is gonna be at. I don't know if you guys could hear me because it's so loud. There's a lot of people in here, but basically this is what people come for. They celebrate it, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're heading to City Hall right now, where all the activities are going to be at. We just got out of the parade, where all those people at, and I guess all those people are going to City Hall, so all of them are going to be there. But anyway, we're about to head there. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. Alright guys, so we're just walking around the street right now. We don't really know where to go. I think we're trying to go to the City Hall over there on the other side. But there's so many roadblocks, and there's so many people too. You gotta go around the block to get to the other side. We're just enjoying the adventure. This is part of the adventure. You know, just walking around the street. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
No matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. I'm trying to get to know you much better. No matter how much time it will take, I just can't give up. I just can't give up.
JD, where are we going?
Okay, so we're just gonna go out and get some lunch. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
I've been caught up since the day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside.
So we are here in Mang Inasal. We're gonna go grab some lunch real quick after a long day. It's been a good, fun day with the fam, and get to explore downtown Davao. And now we're about to eat because we're hungry and we're tired and we're hot. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we just got done eating some really good lunch. How was it, JD? It was good? Really good. Yeah. I think Mang Inasal is one of the best chicken here. So if you guys come here in the Philippines, you guys need to try Mang Inasal. The chicken is really good. It's popular, and a lot of people go there because, you know, obviously it's good. We're going to the mall to get my cousin's gown for her pictorial tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Man, it's so hot. Alright guys, so since I'm here in the Philippines for a while, and you know, I'm trying to show you guys my culture and where I'm from and where I'm born, I might as well teach you guys some words, so when you get here, you guys can understand what people are saying. So the word of the day today is
Init.
and it means
Hot, like today. Because as you can see, we're both sweating, and word of advice, if you ever visit the Philippines, bring cold water always.
so. How would you put the word in it in a sentence, or how would you hear that for like some people? Say,
Ang init.
grabe ang init. Depende og Tagalog. Og Tagalog kayo, which is our like national like language. They say ang init dito, or mainit dito. Pero for us, we say init dere in Bisaya. Imuha. Go. Sa pamalayan.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys in a little bit. Got it. Woo! Now, all right, guys. We finally made it home, man. It's been a good day and hot and fun day today. We had a good time. Earlier we went downtown to Araw in Davao, which is the day of Davao. Hold on one second. Alright, so the neighbors, they're having a little party over here because like that side over there. So here in the Philippines, every time there's like a holiday or what we call fiesta, most of the time family members from different province come to their family members over here, and they just gather around and eat and enjoy and have a good time. And sometimes they even do karaoke, which is what you hear in the background right now. They're over there having a good time. But today has been a good day, like I said earlier. It's been a good experience. Nice to see all the events. You know, I was expecting today to be more of like a cultural dance, and it's pretty common here in the Philippines. But today, the parade was just like a bunch of kids in their high school and a bunch of organization around Davao, and they just parade. It's like a way for us to kind of celebrate the city and for their hard work for the city, working for the government. That's usually what it is. It's really hot. Good thing there was a breeze, because you know, if it was like hot and no breeze, man, we would be sweating, drenched in sweat, man. So it's not too bad. As for now, I don't really have plans of what we're gonna do later on. Probably gonna relax and, you know, just get going with my day. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog right now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.